Nicholas, Weezies Cottage. A little while before we actually got the business in here. So we came and purchased the building, and we just figured that it was a great spot to have a business such as this. We thought we could really help out and enjoy it while we do. Well, my mother she has this eye and this talent for interior design and decorating. We start working again, and she starts her design again, and she starts to rearrange everything the way that she knows how to do, and it's just something she loves to do. Just the feel, the local community here, the people, that it's so quiet and peaceful out here, and it's just a nice place to live.